A very good morning to all my dear children. Today we are in the chapter Hardware and Software. In this part of the chapter, we will be learning in this video parts of hardware. So before we start, what are the parts of hardware? Let us first recall what is a hardware. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch or feel are called hardware. Example, mouse, monitor, CPU. Now let us understand what are the different parts of a hardware. The three important parts of hardware are input devices, output devices, and storage devices. Now, what is an input device? There are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, number, sound, or pictures into a computer. These are called input devices. Example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. The most common input device is the mouse and the keyboard. In a keyboard, we have 106 keys and we have different types of key to give information as an input or data in the form of words, numbers, and alphanumeric numbers. Trackball, it is a ball on this top. To move the pointer on the screen, roll the ball with our finger. Microphone is used to record our voice and other sounds into the computer. Scanner is both an input and output device. It is used to copy a picture or text printed on a paper into a computer. Light pen looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whenever you write on this pad can be seen on the monitor. Webcam is primarily used to share pictures and have live chat with our friends and families using internet. During this pandemic COVID-19, we are using lots of webcam to chat with our friends and family members. Joystick is mainly used to play games. Let us now understand what are output devices. The devices which displays the information and result are called output devices. The most common output devices are the monitor, printer, and the scanner and speaker. Let us understand what is a monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It displays the output. The printer takes out the output in the form of a hard copy and it is usually in a paper. Speaker are used to hear music and sound stored in a computer. So the most common output devices are monitor, printer, and speaker. What is a storage device now? The third important part of a hardware device. CD, hard disk, pen drive are known as the storage devices. We have other devices also which can be used as storage like USB flash card and many other. The device used for storing data are called storage device. So whenever we have some extra data which we need to transfer from one place to another, we can use pen drive or CD. Hard disk is the main storage device which stores the entire work we do on a computer. So CD stands for compact disc and it is round and it has a shiny disc that stores a lot of information. Hard disk is a device which stores huge amount of information and data. It is usually present inside the CPU box. Pen drive is a small in size but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. Thank you children for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel and please stay home and stay safe. Thank you and bye-bye.